Hey there, Python enthusiasts. Ready to unlock some cool Python skills? Let's dive into week 6, covering strings, file I/O, and lists. First up, strings. Strings in Python are sequences of characters. You can do a lot with them. For instance, concatenation. Simply combine two strings using the plus sign, like this: Python first equals sign, hello second equals sign, world print, first plus plus second, hash, output, hello world. You can also repeat strings with the asterisk. Check this out: Python print, Python asterisk 3, hash output, Python, Python, Python. What about slicing? Extract parts of a string easily. Python text equals sign, data science print text 0, 4, hash output data. And don't forget those handy methods: Python name equals sign, Python print name dot strip, hash remove spaces, Python print name upper, hash converts to uppercase, Python print name dot lower, hash converts to lowercase, Python print name dot replace pj, hash output. Python next, file I/O. You can read from and write to files in Python. Here's how to open and read a file. Python with open sample txt r as file. Need to write to a file? Use this. Python with open output.txt as file. Want to add instead of overwrite? Use append mode with now onto lists. Lists are ordered collections of items. Creating one is simple. Python fruits equals sign, apple, banana, cherry print, fruits 0. Hash output, apple. You can add items. Python fruits, append orange, hash. Adds to the end fruits dot insert 1 mango. Hash adds at index 1 or remove them. Python fruits, remove banana, hash removes by value fruits dot pop 2, hash removes by index. Sorting and reversing is a breeze. Python numbers equal sign 4291, numbers dot sort, hash ascending order printer numbers, hash output 1249, numbers dot reverse, hash reverse order print and numbers, hash output 9421. Lastly, tuples versus lists. Tuples are immutable. Python tuple underscore example equal sign apple, banana, cherry, print tupled example 0. Hash output, apple. Use tuples for data that shouldn't change, and lists for when you need to modify items. Alright, check your understanding. Try these questions. 1. What is the difference between a list and a tuple? 1. What will this code print? Python fruits equal sign apple, banana, cherry fruits, append orange, print fruits. 1. What happens when you open a file in W mode that already exists? Got it? Let me know if you have any questions before we move on to week 7. Dictionaries and more file handling. See you then.